Hey guys, so today I will be showing you how to use AI to create the most optimal metadata for your videos. Now, metadata, if you didn't know, is comprised of three parts. It's the title, the description, otherwise known as the meta description specifically, and then all this stuff down below, including the tags. It says it plays a minimal role in helping viewers find your video. From my experience, I do know that it's still best practice to include them. Now, your two best friends and most useful tools for this are going to be VidIQ and Google Gemini Pro. Now, VidIQ, I will be providing an affiliate link for it in the pinned comments section as well as the description section of this video. So if you decide to sign up, please go ahead and use the affiliate link because it really helps out our channel. And as you can see, you can sign up for free to test it out. I will be giving you a bit of a glimpse of how to use it. And if you find it useful and decide to upgrade your plan to unlock some of the features, then you'll have that option as well. Okay, so here is the video that I want to work on, whose metadata I want to optimize. So what I'm going to do is just take the most important keywords of this title and then put it in here. If we go to related keywords, you'll see here you can organize by search volume or competition or just the overall score. Now, ideally, you want something that has high search volume with low competition, and that will make the overall score higher. So you can see here, the keywords that have high search volume with low to medium competition have a higher overall score, which shows us in green. So here, I'm going to use homeschool as my focus keyword. With that in mind, I'm going to go ahead and use Google Gemini Pro. Now, this is the prompt you'll want to use. Feel free to copy and paste it or edit it to your own liking. But basically it says, based on the attached script, create for me an effective YouTube meta description using the focus keyword homeschool, which includes as many other relevant keywords as possible. Additionally, provide me with a comma-separated tags list based on the title and description, as well as 2 relevant effective hashtags. Now you'll see shortly why I use 2. So what I'm going to do now is upload the script like so and then submit that. So here we go, and it's given us everything that we need. So I'm going to go ahead and copy this and just paste it in here as the first few lines of the description. Then what I'm going to do is add 4 keywords, 2 of which I'm consistently using, and it will appear at the very beginning and very end. So let me show you. What I'm constantly trying to rank for with this channel is crime, and then 2 more keywords, and then the channel name. So the channel name will be They Will Kill You. Okay, so now what I will do is I will take these 2 keywords and insert them in there. The reason being is because the general format you want to use for hashtags is hashtag 1 will be the same hashtag you use across all videos based on the genre. The second one will be video specific. The third one will also be video specific. And the fourth one will be always the channel name. Now, you might see that people are using 3 hashtags total for their meta descriptions, but best practice is to use 4. So these 2 will always stay static and the same across every video, and these 2 will always change based on what the video topic is about. You may already know that the first 3 hashtags are the ones that appear on the video and the 4th one does not. The reason we use a 4th hashtag is because we still want to rank for the channel's name, but it's easy to rank for that. So it does not need to be included above the fold or visible in the video. So let me show you what that looks like. Here we have the first 3 hashtags appearing, and to me, ranking for the channel name doesn't really matter. So that's why it comes as a 4th hashtag. Now we'll go back into the tags list, copy that and paste it down here. And there you have it. Now you have an optimized meta description as well as a format and prompt that you can use for any style video on any topic.